Hello student, welcome to my account channel. Today we are going to discuss chapter first introduction to accounting. Let we see what is the meaning of accounting. Accounting is the systematic process of identifying. Identifying means to identify the transaction, whether such transaction is related to the business or whether such transaction can be expressed in a monetary term. If these transactions are related to the business as well as can be expressed in a monetary term, then such transaction to be recorded in organization books of account. Recording means to record the transaction. So the first step is identify. Your business purchase a furniture of rupees 1 lakh. So purchase a furniture for business purpose, that means it is a business transaction, and rupees 1 lakh, that means it can be expressed in a monetary term. Let's take second example. Suppose your company appoint a director. The appointment of director is related to the business, but we cannot express such appointment in a monetary term. Yes, if you pay the salary and remuneration of director, such transaction can be expressed in a monetary terms, but the appointment of director cannot be expressed in a monetary term, hence such transaction cannot be recorded in the books of account. So that means only those transaction which can be expressed in a monetary term and related to the business. The first is related to the business and second is expressed in a monetary term. If both the condition are satisfied, then such transaction are recording. Recording means to record the transaction in a journal. In a accounting, recording means to make a journal entries. First step is identify. The second step is recording. The third step is classifying. Classifying means to classify the accounts, that is ledger. Thereafter summarizing. Summarizing means to summarizing all the account in a one place in a accounting, that is called trial balance. It is called trial balance. And interpreting what? Interpreting profit and loss. What is the main purpose of accounting? The main purpose of accounting to identify the profit, to calculate the profit and loss of the organization. So interpreting means to calculate, to find out whether the organization earned a profit or incurred a loss. And the last step is to communicate financial information to the user. Communicate means to provide the financial accounts. Financial account, three types of accounts are there: trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Later we will discuss on it. Users, there are two type of users. First one is internal users and the second is external users. Internal user means if the transaction occur within the organization, that is, then it is called internal user. Suppose you pay the salary to the manager. Pay the salary to the manager, employee and director. Manager, employees and director are working within the organization, that means such transactions, that means they are internal user. And external user means those who are not working within the organization. Like your organization will take a loan from a bank. Your organization will take a loan from a bank. Bank is not working within the organization, that's the reason bank is an external user. Other example of external user is a government, investor and creditor, also the example of external user. To communicate the financial information to the user. Accounting show the profit earned or loss incurred during the accounting period. Accounting period means it may be a calendar year or it may be a financial year. Calendar year start from 1st Jan and end with 31st December. 12-month period is there. And financial year start with 1st April. Financial year start with 1st April and end with 31st March. Start with 1st April and financial year end 31st March. So that means accounting period means 12-month period. It may be start from 1st Jan or it may be start from 1st April. Most of the case it is started with 1st April. So this is the 12-month period. In this 12 month, what is the amount of profit and what is the amount of loss? For that purpose accounting is required. Okay, so what that means accounting is the systematic process. Systematic process, that means all the transactions are recorded in a systematic way. First comes in a first basis. One transaction incurred in 1st April, second transaction incurred in a 5th April. That means the first transaction right first. Identify means to identify whether it is a business transaction or not. Recording the transaction, only those transactions which are business related and expressed in a monetary terms are recorded. Thereafter classifying, that is called ledgers. We will discuss later on. Summarizing, that is called trial balance. Interpreting result means profit or loss, whether organization profit or incurred a loss. And communicate the financial information, communicate internal user as well as external user. Internal user means those person who are working within the organization, and external user means those person who are not working within the organization. Okay, so accounting is the language of business, and this is first identify financial transaction, second recording it, thereafter classifying record event, after summarizing the information to find out profit and loss, interpreting the result, and last one is communicate it to the user. That means the first step of accounting is identify and financial transaction. The first step of accounting is identify financial transaction. This is the first step of account, is identify the financial transaction. Okay, and the last step of accounting is communicate it to user. Communicate what? Communicate financial statements, and the financial statement means trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. We will discuss later on because there are separate chapter of these account. Okay, next we see need for accounting. In a need for accounting, the first need is to keep a systematic record of business transaction. Any transaction occur in the business to record in a systematic record. Thereafter, to find out the profit and loss. Third one's to know to display the financial position of the business. Financial position, that is called balance sheet. Balance sheet means assets as well as liability. It essential to take correct and accurate decision. It provides necessary information to prepare a budget. It is a necessary to calculate a tax liability, because tax liability is a calculate with the help of profit. How much profit earned by the profit, how organization. The profit is calculated with the help of financial statement. That means the need of accounting for calculating of tax liability.